Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it day natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural. Make your skin tight, skin fine. Make your skin so natural, skin fly. Make your skin day spotless, skin nice. Make your pure bliss, very cool like a nice.
So guys, to make our pink lip balm, I'll be needing my base cream. I have here my base cream. My base cream is carowhite, and we're going to be adding in our powders. Into the mixture, 1 tablespoon of my citric acid, then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of kojic into the mixture. So guys, I'll be adding also alpha arbutin. This is in capsule form. I'm going to open this up. So we're going to be putting 1 capsule of alpha arbutin powder into the mixture. We're going to break this in there. So we're going to be mixing this together. Mix very well before adding in the other ingredients, because powders take time to dissolve. You can also dissolve this with a little bit of rose water, or you can dissolve this with your oils. So into the mixture, we're going to be adding of our neem oil, just a little bit. So into the mixture, I'll be adding in a few drops of glutathione, Insta serum. You can just add like 5 or 6 drops into the mixture. So on vitamin E oil is going in there also. 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. So we're going to be pouring in 1 tablespoon of our vitamin E oil in there. One tablespoon of our lightening solution. So you will mix this together. Mix very well. Be careful guys with the way you add in your oils, because we need a thick consistency for this lip balm. So I like to mix everything together before I add in my other ingredients. So guys, now you can add in Vaseline to moisturize the skin. 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. 1 tablespoon of Vaseline into the mixture. I'm going to be scooping this in there. Now we're going to be adding in a rose pink coloring to give your lips that pink luscious color and softness you desire. 1 tablespoon of this coloring in there. So 1 tablespoon of rose pink coloring. Stir very well. I'm sorry guys about the noise in the background. Stir very well. So stir very well. Stir very well until you have this glossy consistency. This lip balm will change the color of your lips permanently. You have, after using for 1 week, you will have pink lips. This is the Promixing method, and I'll be making a video on the organic method very soon. So that's it, guys. Your glossy, pink glossy lip balm. So yes, store in your desired container. My desired container, I already sterilized these very little cute containers. Store in your desired container.
Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it dey natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural.